History students. Okay, second video for the 2 months questions with answers from 2015 to 2021. Okay, all model question papers started from the question number 55. Okay, who were the founders of Vijayanagara Empire? Harihara and Bukkaraya. Mention any two titles of Chikka Devaraja Vadiyar, Navakoti Narayana, Raja Jagadeva. So many titles. Okay, he have actually Raja Jagadeva, Karnataka Chakravarti, Navakoti Narayana. But write any two of the titles. Who was Shivappa Nayaka? Why is he famous? Okay, he was an able administrator of Nayakas of Kedadi. He is famous for his revenue settlement called Shistu. Next, mention the two capitals of Bahumani dynasty, Gulbarga and Bidar, were the two capitals of Bahumani dynasty. Next, who was Muhammad Gawan and where did he build the madrasa? Muhammad Gawan was chief minister of Bahuman Sultan and of Bidar. He built madrasa at Bidar. He was a chief minister and prime minister served under Muhammad Shah III and an able administrator also. Where is Gol Gumbaz and who built it? Okay, Gol Gumbaz, it is in Bijapur, Muhammad Adil Shah. Mention any two monuments of Adil Shahis of Bijapura. Gol Gumbaz, Ibrahim Roza, Bade Kaman, next Bara Kaman were the most important monuments built by Adil Shahis of Bijapura. Who were the parents of Shankaracharya? Shivaguru and Aryamba. Name any two important matas established by Shankaracharya. Kalika Mata, Jyotir Mata. He built 4 matas. Okay, Sharada Peta, Govardhana Peta, Kalika Mata, Jyotir Mata. Next, when and where was Madhvacharya born? At Pajaka in 1238. 1238. Who were the parents of Madhvacharya? Madhyageha Narayana Bhatta and Vedavati. Name any two matas established by Madhvacharya. Shiruru Mata, Palihuru Mata, Adamaru Mata were the and Puttige Mata. Out of 8 write any 2. Next, who were the parents of Basaveshwara? Madarasa and Madalambike. Madarasa and Madalambike were the parents of Basaveshwara. Next, who founded Anubhava Mandapa and where? Basaveshwara at Kalyana. Name any two important saints of Chisti order. Mohinuddin Chisti, Sheikh Salim Chisti. Next, name any two trading centers of Portuguese in India. Goa, Diu, Daman, Bessin, Salsette. Out of 5 write any 2. Name any two trading centers of French in India. Pondicherry, Chandranagore, Mahe, Karaikal. Next, between whom was the Battle of Plassey fought? Siraj-ud-Dowla and British. British with Siraj-ud-Dowla fought. Okay, who was Siraj-ud-Dowla? You know already, the Nawab of Bengal fought with the British in the Battle of Plassey, taken the year of 1757. Next, mention any two terms of the Treaty of Srirangapatna. Tipu had given half of his territories to the Allies. He paid 330 lakhs rupees of war expense. He had to keep off his sons as hostages with the British till he paid the war expense. What was the immediate cause of the revolt of 1857? The British introduced new Enfield rifles were smeared with the fat of cows and pigs. The Indian soldiers who refused to use the British cartridges. This cause became the immediate reason for the revolt of 1857. Next, name any two land revenue settlements introduced by British in India, permanent land revenue settlement, Raitwari system, Mahalwari system. What is Raitwari system? The East India Company made direct settlement with the rights or cultivators called Raitwari system. Next, what was the opinion Macaulay recorded in the Eastern literature? He said, a single shelf of a good European library was worth the whole native literature of India and Arabia. When and where was Arya Samaj established in 1875 at Bombay? When and where was Swami Vivekananda born on 12th January in 1863 at Calcutta? Name the newspaper published by Swami Vivekananda, Prabuddha Bharata and Udbodhana. Name the two important commissioners of Mysore, Mark Kabban and L.B. Bhaurik. Next, name any two industries established by Mirza Ismail. Okay, glass factory, chemical factory, sugar factory. Most important, okay, factories established by Sir Mirza Ismail. When was the first session of the Indian National Congress session held and where? In the year of 1885, okay, in Bombay. Name any two extremist leaders, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, were the most important extremist leaders. Okay, who started the Home Rule League movement? Okay, Lokamanya Tilak and Annie Besant. Next, from where did Gandhiji start the Salt March and where it culminated? Started from Sabarmati Ashram and ended at Dandi. Next, who signed the Pune Pact? Mahatma Gandhiji and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Where was the only Congress session presided by Gandhiji held and when? Belagavi Congress session in the year of 1924. Name any two important leaders of unification of Karnataka, Gangadhar Rao Deshpande, Siddhappa Kambali and Alur Venkata Rao. Next, mention any two committees formed for reorganized of states, Dar Committee, JVP Committee, Fazal Ali Committee. Out of three, write any two. Name any two members of JVP Committee, Jawaharlal Nehru, okay, Pattabi Sitaramanya, Vallabhbhai Patel. J means, okay, Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel. Next, Pattabi Sitaramanya. These are the most important 2 marks questions with answers. Which are the important 1 marks and 2 marks questions you are already observed and watched or stressed on the videos. Okay, those points you can recalling in your mind. And which are the points when you are recalling through the videos and through the studies or through the receiving of the points, then those points you can memorizing silently, you can write in the examination. Okay, all the best of your all exams. Okay, thank you very much.